8-gauge black power cable, translucent matte insulator. Economy OFC, oxygen-free copper, wire. Finely stranded OFC wire, 100-foot spool with 6.5 mm cable diameter, sold as unit. Insulated for chemical and heat resistance. High temperature rating, extremely flexible and bendable jacket. 8 AWG OFC black ground wire 100 FTSBO. 8-gauge black ground wire 100 feet. OFC 230.25 by 7C, D. 6.5 mm. These wires are a copper blend which allows it to be slightly thinner than a standard copper of wire, but it's designed to handle the same power limitations as a typical 8-gauge wire. Top reviews from the United States. Great bang for the buck made in China product with no listing on the wire. Do not know yet how it will hold up, but only time will tell. Nice thick jacket, but not sure if it is actually 8 Ga, looks more like 10 Ga.